Hey guys, this is Cody Johnson with Rearview Broker, and today I'm going to be giving you an outside tour of this 2019 Winnebago ERA 70B. This unit approximately has 37,000 miles on it. It is a Mercedes diesel. This unit is equipped with Alcoa rims, aluminum rims. Date code is 1921, made on the 19th week of 2021. It does have a automatic power awning. Over on the passenger side rear, you will see outlets, solar, cable hookups, cigarette outlet. Above that, you will have two outside speakers and a porch light. The automatic awning does have an LED light strip on it. On the back of the unit, we have a King Omni Go HD TV antenna with backup camera on the back. 7-way pin connector. And you have a propane quick detach. On the driver's side, we do have a floodlight. Outdoor shower hookup. 30 amp power supply. It has a on-demand Truma hot water system. Underneath that, you have your wet bay. This is where you will hook up your fresh water, dump your black and gray tanks, and it has a macerator on it. To the left of that, you have your propane tank where you will fill it up. On the roof, it does have an AC, solar panels, max air fan. If you guys have any questions about this super clean 2019 Winnebago ERA 70B, make sure to reach out to us at rearviewbroker.com. And stay tuned for the interior tour. Have a good one, guys. Bye.